In this video, I'll guide you through how to forward your Ionos email to Gmail step by step. By the end, your messages will automatically show up in your Gmail inbox, so you won't have to keep checking multiple accounts. First, make sure you're signed in to your Ionos account. Open your web browser and log into your Ionos control panel using your usual login details. This is the main dashboard where you manage your domains, hosting, email, and other services. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all the tiles and options are visible. Once you're in the control panel, look for the tile labeled Email. This tile is where you can manage your mailboxes, aliases, and forwarding settings. Go ahead and click on the Email tile. That will open a page listing all the email addresses associated with your Ionos account. On this list, find the specific email address you want to forward to Gmail. This might be a personal address, a business address, or a generic inbox like info or contact. Click directly on that email address. This will open up the detailed settings for that particular mailbox. Inside the mailbox settings, look for a row or section labeled Forwarding. This is where you tell Ionos to send a copy of your incoming emails somewhere else. It might be in the middle of the page or slightly lower down, so scroll if you need to. When you see the forwarding row, click on it to open the forwarding options. Now you'll see controls to manage forwarding targets. You're going to add Gmail as a destination for your incoming messages. Look for a button or link that says Add Forwarding Target and click on it. This tells Ionos you want to create a new forwarding rule for this mailbox. A field should appear where you can type in the address you want to forward to. Carefully enter your Gmail address here. Make sure you type it exactly right, including the part before the @ symbol and the @gmail.com at the end. It's a good idea to double check for any typos because if the address is wrong, your forwarded emails might bounce or disappear. Once you've confirmed that your Gmail address is entered correctly, click Save. This applies the forwarding rule to your Ionos mailbox. After saving, you should see your Gmail address listed as an active forwarding target. At this point, forwarding is set up. Any new email sent to your Ionos address will be automatically forwarded to the Gmail address you entered. To make sure everything is working correctly, you can send a quick test email to your Ionos address from another account and then check your Gmail inbox to confirm it arrives there. If you ever want to stop forwarding or change the destination, you can return to the same forwarding section in your Ionos control panel, edit the forwarding target, or remove it altogether. That's all there is to it. You've now connected your Ionos email to Gmail, making it much easier to keep track